We're guessing it's that time of year when stories and leaks about Samsung's new array of Galaxy smartphones start appearing on the internet, and in grand style. With the first perspective look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you don't know any better, you believe you were looking at the Galaxy S23 Ultra or the S22 Ultra, since it appears like Samsung doesn't plan to modify the outside of its phone all that much. We can see that it looks almost similar to the last 2 years, with the same back camera setup and the same huge front display. The display is supposed to be the same size at 6.8 inches. Today is a nice day for everybody who has been waiting to see Samsung's Galaxy S24 flagship range. We now have the opportunity to see the Ultra model from all sides via renders and a 360-degree video, only hours after high-resolution renders of the ordinary S24 were leaked online. The graphics are based on 3D CAD renders of Samsung's next-generation flagship phone, the S24 Ultra. From the looks of it, the S24 Ultra looks quite similar to its predecessor. With sharp edges and slightly curved sides, the S23 Ultra has a boxy shape. The South Korean company does not seem to have employed flat sides here, as it would with the Galaxy S24. The S24 Ultra will feature a 6.8-inch screen, and it looks like Samsung has employed a flat screen, unlike previous generation Ultra models in the Galaxy S series. In comparison to the S23 Ultra, the phone is slightly shorter and broader. We can see some curvature on the front, but it appears to be for the frame or 2.5D curved glass. The real display seems to be flat in these renders, but there is a lot of space for misinterpretation due to the wallpaper and backdrop color choices. The S23 Ultra has already begun to rein in the display curvature, so there's a decent probability the phone will opt for a flat or very little curvature display. According to the source, Samsung has made significant progress in lowering the bezels on the S24 Ultra. It says that the bezels are the thinnest observed on any smartphone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.